Good morning, guys. Today is a not so lovely day because today I don't have school and there's a hurricane out there, so I'm stuck at home. And I really hope that I don't lose power again because the power has been going in and out, so I really want to vlog this experience, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that with a hurricane out there. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how it looks from my window so you guys can see. So it's really windy outside and it's raining. They did say it was a tropical storm Nicholas, but it did end up turning into a hurricane last night. I just woke up. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now. And I did sleep kind of well though, so. I'm really glad that they didn't send us to school because there has been some times where I did end up going to school and there's a hurricane there and we were stuck. I actually vlogged that experience. It's on my channel and I'll link it down in the description or in the comments. But I do have some stuff I do want to do. I do want to clean my room and finish up my homework that's due tomorrow because I kind of want to get all my work done. So that I'm not at school like, oh, do I do this, do I do that? But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Hey guys, so I took a short break just to get breakfast and my mom tried to make a German pancake. I have my fruits right here. But she tried to make, and I have my coffee right here because I'm kind of tired. But my mom decided to make a German pancake. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's gonna break. This is how it looks. Pretty interesting, right? So let's try it. It has apples and pancake batter. I'm gonna try it alone and then with the syrup. It's not bad. I think it's just the texture. The texture is funny, but it still tastes good and everything. So now let's try it with the syrup. It's not bad, it actually tastes good. It just falls apart easily. It tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna finish up my work and we'll see where this day takes us. So we are about to start recording a video and we're using this type of hair because I've been wanting to get my hair done. And this is pretty much how we do it. So here is the lights and everything. I set this up for the video and here's the camera right here. We have the hair, planner, everything.
Notes.
Notes.
A script.
A script. So we're done and I'm gonna take this out so you guys can see the style and everything, but we're done. We're currently breaking down the room, taking off all of the lights, all the cameras, making this place look a lot more nice. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Something I really like about this style is that you can do a side part and any, like literally any type of part you want. So this is how the side part looks. Yup, yup. And the middle part is like that. And I really like middle parts because I can style them better. So I think I might just stick with this. And this is how it looks down. It's 18 inches. And if you want to do a style like this on your own, check out my mom's channel, Discovering Natural, and you can find tons of tutorials there on how to do this, and all the hair and everything is in there too. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it to the world. Love you guys and have an amazing day.